So guys, I'm up at the deer farm. I've got a box of bees in the car with me. We're going to put them up here and just put them in a 5-frame nuke. Bees in the car. They're safe in the box, although I've not strapped the lid, which was a bit silly, but you know, silliness is silliness. Anyway, see what these bees are doing. Hopefully no bloody swarms. Or no collapses, because we've had such heat in this unusual world we're living in. We've had a lot of heat past few days. So last year, you know, hives in full sun, you were getting comb drop. Like wax was getting that hot, the bees hanging on it was like the frames were dropping. So hopefully we've got none of that. Oh shit. Anyway, this hive's going on this stand with my little nukes. They're all busy. I know my split doesn't look very busy. Yeah, so we'll have to have a look, see what's going on. But these bees are going there anyway.